My video is about getting rid of the pop-ups by the site Dabimust.xyz. Dabimust.xyz is a dangerous website attacking Google Chrome and other browsers, and this site tries to deceive you and to make you basically download and install certain potentially unwanted applications. If you see such pop-ups by Dabimust.xyz, do not trust them, since these pop-ups are definitely fake and obviously deceptive. Just leave this deceptive page. Also, I recommend you to research the computer with Combo Cleaner. So go to the website combocleaner.com, use the green download button, install the program, and then start carefully researching your computer. Combo Cleaner antivirus will help you to effectively detect and eliminate other threats which might still possibly stealthily remain on your Windows computer. So use Combo Cleaner to fix your entire system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode. So only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner antivirus. So you need to click on this Start Scan button, and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.